Picture this, a scene of adorable little hamsters, their small size and furry appearance endearing to any animal lover. But beneath their innocent facade lies a dark side that many pet owners may be unaware of: cannibalism within their own species. Yes, you heard it right. Sweet and cuddly hamsters have been known to devour their own offspring. It may be shocking and disturbing, but this behavior is more common than you might think. Today, we delve into the surprising reasons behind why hamsters eat their babies, explore whether it's a normal behavior, and discuss preventive measures that can be taken to protect these vulnerable little creatures. So, why do hamsters resort to cannibalizing their young? This gruesome act, known as filial cannibalism, is actually a natural phenomenon seen in many animal species, including hamsters. While it may seem nightmarish to us humans, there are valid biological reasons behind this behavior. You see, hamsters, especially in the wild, face numerous threats to their survival. Naturally, their instincts drive them to prioritize their own survival. By eating weak or unhealthy babies, the mother hamster can conserve resources and ensure the survival of the stronger offspring. It's a harsh reality, but one that serves a purpose in the wild. Hamsters are known for their large litters, with an average of 6 to 16 pups. Providing resources for so many mouths can be a challenge, particularly when food is scarce. Cannibalism acts as a form of self-regulation, allowing the mother hamster to balance resource demands and increase the chances of survival for the remaining young. In the end, it's all about the survival of the fittest. But is it normal for hamsters to eat their babies? Surprisingly, yes. Filial cannibalism is considered a normal part of their reproductive biology. In fact, it's estimated that up to 20% of female hamsters engage in this behavior, depending on various factors such as stress levels, food availability, and genetic predisposition. First-time mothers or inexperienced breeding pairs may struggle with their maternal responsibilities, leading to cannibalistic tendencies. Stress, disturbance, and a lack of proper nesting materials can also contribute to this behavior. It's important to understand that hamsters are solitary creatures, and cooperative parenting is not part of their social structure. Under certain circumstances, cannibalism can serve as a strategy to reduce the strain on the mother and increase the survival odds for the remaining litter. Now that we know the reasons behind this grisly behavior, let's explore some preventive measures that can be taken to protect hamster offspring from becoming a feast. First and foremost, provide a suitable nesting environment for the mother hamster. A cozy and stress-free nest is crucial for her to feel secure and exhibit natural maternal behavior. Use appropriate bedding materials like shredded paper or aspen shavings, and avoid materials that could be harmful, such as cotton or fabrics that hamsters can get tangled in. Keeping stress and disturbances to a minimum is also essential. Hamsters are sensitive creatures and easily stressed by environmental changes. Avoid loud noises, sudden movements, or unnecessary disturbances around their habitat, especially in the first few days after birth. Provide a quiet and secluded spot for the mother and her litter, away from high-traffic areas, to keep stress levels low. Ensuring a balanced diet for the mother hamster is another key aspect. A nutritious diet is crucial for her health as well as the development of the young. Consult with a veterinarian specializing in small mammal care to determine the appropriate diet and food portions for your hamster breed. After mating, it's important to separate the male and female hamsters as soon as possible. Hamsters have a short gestation period, typically around 16 to 18 days. Removing the male from the cage once the female shows signs of pregnancy helps minimize stress and territorial conflicts, reducing the risk of cannibalism. Lastly, consider the socialization and company of your hamster. While they are typically solitary animals, certain breeds, like dwarf hamsters, may benefit from living in same-sex pairs or small groups. The presence of a trusted cage mate can help alleviate stress and stimulate natural behaviors, potentially decreasing the likelihood of cannibalism. However, it's crucial to consult with a veterinarian or expert before attempting to introduce companions, as not all hamsters are compatible with each other. Implementing these preventive measures can create a safer and more conducive environment for hamsters, reducing the likelihood of filial cannibalism. However, it's important to remember that even with the best precautions, some hamsters may still exhibit this behavior due to factors beyond our control. Nature has its own way of functioning. In conclusion, the phenomenon of hamsters eating their own babies, though disturbing, is a natural occurrence rooted in survival instinct. Filial cannibalism allows hamsters to manage resources effectively and increase the chances of survival for the fittest offspring. By understanding the reasons behind this behavior and implementing preventive measures, pet owners can create a supportive environment for their hamsters and their offspring. So, the next time you gaze into those innocent hamster eyes, Remember the complexity of their biology and the importance of protecting these vulnerable creatures.